Rongtai is a private joint stock enterprise specializing in induction heating equipment. Produces melting furnaces, heating furnaces, quenching and tempering production lines, vacuum furnaces, and other products. With an annual production capacity of more than 1,000 sets, it can produce electric smelting furnaces with a power range from 100 kilowatts to 42 megawatts and capacity range for 5 kilograms to 120 tons. Rongtai has melting solutions and process equipment for more than 30 new materials such as silicon, aluminum, copper, titanium alloy, silicon carbide, and silicon nitride. It can provide smelting and melting equipment such as induction melting furnaces, electric arc furnaces, LF refining furnaces, VD and VOD furnaces, as well as vacuum furnace series equipment such as melting, sintering, and heat treatment. And all equipment has been strictly tested before leaving the factory to guarantee high-quality delivery. With a development history of more than 20 years, Rongtai has complete product series of induction heating equipment. It has industry-leading technologies such as LLC topology structure, digital temperature control system, anti-adhesion, and one-click emptying. In the field of heat treatment, we can provide efficient heat treatment products and solutions for various new materials and special metal pipes, bars, discs, and other special shaped workpieces. By continuously casting its ideal platform and constantly striving for industrial upgrade, Rongtai is committed to becoming one of the world's leading companies, creating more value for its employees, customers, and the community. Rongtai Induction, moving forward.